to 970 again, and then it sold quite hard today, pre-market,
All right.
actually. But yeah, for Friday, the price action was really nice. Well, I was glad we didn't trade though, because damn, I was swamped. My kid's birthday, there were cake and people coming over, and it was like, oh, if I traded, I would never been able to do all those in time. I think I would be way too slow. I was thinking, no, it's fine. I'm gonna be managed to be able to get the cake, but yeah, I was like 5 minutes early before people came without trading. So thank
Nice.
God I didn't do that. Yeah, yeah. Was optimistic about the time.
Oh, we're $5 away from 700 here on SPY.
Yeah, and then we sold super heavily.
We have a nice little wedge going on. Kind of like this setup here.
I think we have a weak.
Yeah, very nice wedge here. Getting close to breaking out. Where do we at? 690 right now. That's the lower end right now.
Yeah, we have a sell divergence on the 4 hour with the high and then the new all-time high we took on Friday, actually. So it would be interesting to see if that gonna hold or not. Should be around here though, if it's wanna hold.
Yeah, should be
On the
exactly
low.
right here.
We have not that much data today. We have CPI tomorrow, so
Interesting.
I looked after your last week. Damn, I'm trading still quite a lot worse than you, Alex.
Are you?
Me and Carlos talked about it. Yeah, we compared. We traded around same bad.
Oh, both of you
Yeah,
guys did.
it's always like that, kinda, right? But uh, we just not letting the runners run enough. I
Yeah.
did do quite good on that last week. I think I was the only one with you on some trades left on the, but I do exit bad
A little early.
on
Yeah.
red. Yeah, yeah. And that's slight different when we see 30 minutes hold and that you're holding 31 minutes and me 30. It's the move it makes. I kind of go out, take it out on the higher low. So I'm gonna pay attention to that when we sitting in a trade. That I don't do that and let it breathe just a bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, that's my school papers for this week, I guess. Maybe we don't even get a trade like that.
Yeah, we'll
So
see with this week. Looks like we have a
PPI
lot
on
going on this
Wednesday.
week. Looks like we have a
Yeah,
lot.
PPI Wednesday, CPI Tuesday. I think 4MQ is super slow, but I think it's gonna be nice when we have more of a losing streak, if we ever do have that
Mm-hmm.
again. Yeah,
Yeah, the
head
head
and
and shoulders
shoulders.
broke down super nicely. This is so nice.
Yeah,
Really like
yeah,
this one.
right to supply there.
Yeah,
Perfect,
I like this
perfect
spot
drop
here.
there. Yeah.
Yeah, levels were good though that we drew, which is nice.
Mm.
Really nice.
I think Nvidia is sitting on a head and shoulders also, but it has not broken down if I remember correctly. Need to watch it over again.
We should be coming into earnings season soon, right? I think.
Yeah. More in February, right?
I think in
That's
February, yeah.
5% there has approved my payout, by the way. After that, the one-sided betting bullshit they sent me.
Nice.
Yeah. They said now that they just wanted to warn me because I've only taken long on the funder account, and as long as I don't do that for the next payout, I'm fine.
Hmm.
They don't agree. They don't like one-sided betting. But it was like, if you look at my evals, both phase 1 and 2, you see both shorts and longs for like 300 trades. Don't be stupid. Just want to deny me payout if possible. Flagging here.
Yeah,
Microsoft,
same
right?
structure. Nothing really changed there.
Mm.
Still holding. This has room lower if you want to pull lower.
Yeah, I think it would be nice at least to hit that supply area on the left, or even that imbalance. But see.
Yeah, I like that too. Downside?
It's a lot of points or a lot of
Yep.
Yeah, that's a big move
dollars
though.
down. Yeah, interesting.
Could
Okay.
also hold here. If we overcome that level you had there on the... Oh, yeah, you have super nice levels after of that. Yeah, if you overcome that highs there, you could see upside target again. Yeah, that blue one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we target the next area, 511, 12 instead.
Yeah, levels seem to be really good. So I'm happy
Yeah.
with that at least.
I think it's
Almost got
because
cheated.
you, yeah, I think you did them when I was not here, and that's why they are good.
I go
That
quick
was it.
Google though. Trades already still. Yeah, earnings season does start actually this week. I thought.
Right?
Yeah, banks start reporting this week.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Not a lot though.
yeah, as we get into next week, we should start getting more names reporting. But
Mm.
it looks like it's most likely going to be towards the end of this month.
Yeah.
I saw that Howell is under criminal investigation.
I did see that too.
Yeah.
There was one thing I seen over the weekend is Trump's thing with like the credit cards. I don't know if you guys seen that.
Where was he saying that? No, I didn't see.
It was
Awesome.
he was limiting a 1 year cap with a max of 10% interest rate on credit
Oh,
cards.
oh, he's scared. He's scared about that defaulting debt on the credit card that's gone up the last years. I see.
Yeah. So
I think weekly we have solid head and shoulders here, right? Yep.
yeah, it's coming into play, I guess.
Slightly tilted, but that's normal.
Yeah, it'd be like this.
Where is everyone? We open in 5 minutes.
Everybody's still sleeping.
Maybe.
Yeah, something like that. I'm still sleeping too, low key.
Oh, you're still on sleep. Damn, you talk very clear for being able to sleep. I'm more like,
Mm. Yeah, so with that bank or that news with the cars, I'm not. Oh, PayPal might still be a decent buy maybe sometime this week. Not sure how much I want to add of that.
Long term, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a great sell on EPS though, 109.
yeah,
Beautiful.
yeah.
Really, really happy with that. So NVO, oh, back up to 60. That's nice. It's good. It's good. Let's take a look at that chart right now, actually. Looks good on the weekly, I think. Little double bottom. If we clear this high here, then we should be good for 70 at least. Minimum of 70, I'd say. Really like that. Alright.
Really no data today, I guess. No. Nothing.
Is there? No, I don't think
No,
so.
no, nothing. I was watching it still.
Yeah.
Open in 3 minutes, damn. Time goes fast. I've been here for half an hour.
I joined
I'm
Premarket.
6 I'm 650 in the chess club now.
650. Oh, nice. I was playing yesterday, like in person, against
Yeah.
friend's dad.
I played also in person at the party we had here with
Okay.
my sister's man. He wrecked me. I blundered queen twice.
Oh, he wrecked you.
Yeah. Oh no, he's super smart. He's good. He has a IQ of like 150. He's in Mensa and stuff. He's a very successful programmer. So he's very good in mathematical thinking.
Nice.
Yeah, he played with his colleague, and he's like 1.9k. So yeah, he wrecked me.
That makes sense.
Yeah, it was fun though. It was fun. Wasn't even close to beating him though. Opening 2 mins here. Good morning, Adam and Art.
Alright. Let's look at some ideas for today. Forgot to do that. Not really sure what to think today, to be honest. We're still in a range. We haven't really moved much, but... Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to redo my NQ levels.
Oh.
That's what I forgot to do.
Yeah, we're sitting wedge here.
Yeah, same structure.
Yeah. Just we reacted that upper part twice now.
Yeah, I kind of want to see something happen with this wedge. Maybe not today then. We might wait for tomorrow
Yeah,
to decide a breakout.
yeah.
So we are sitting on the lower end of it right now, which means we should see some buying come in around this area.
Yeah. If not, that would actually indicate we see downside today, possibly, if we actually break that anyway. I see
Yeah.
some slide buying on the open here, and quite.
Okay, here's the open. Let's see what we get. Yeah, we're kind of flagging a little bit during the pre-market there. So if we pop up here, kind of makes sense. Breaking out from that flag there.
Yeah, I should feel some imbalance above from that downside move anyway, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Remember, one is not going to be able to trade this week. He's on a cruise. Who was that? Brian, right? Yeah, Brian will not be online
Brian's on
this
cruise.
week.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, he's been cruise this whole week. His family.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Haven't been on a cruise in a long time. $25,800 here.
Yeah, Carlos is coming soon. He's in a call.
Yeah, everything's moving up here. Everything's moving.
Yes, seeing some real strength here on CVD on from the open here. Trying to fill that in about 30 minutes is 857 on Nasdaq. Nvidia pop nice. Should have room to overnight high.
Already 100 points, so have one level here.
Me too, 830 there. Hit even mid from the Friday session there. I feel that imbalance to the 55.
Alpha rejected a little bit there.
At the first test, fill off that gap fill. Right to overnight high. Makes sense. First test should see some selling pressure coming in on Nvidia, even if it's just slight.
Yeah, it still looks quite strong for right now, I guess.
Yeah, Google, Tesla here looks good. Microsoft has, Meta has slightly more room here. Apple sold at open price with overnight high P-hod tap, but yeah, still see some buying coming in here on the CVD for this time being.
Pulling back up into my level there. A lot of strength here. A lot of strength. It'll probably give us some time.
It's weird how little people are online today. It's very little.
It's alright.
Right? Well, fine.
It's a Monday.
Yeah, true, but more like 10, 11. So Nvidia trying to get above overnight high here. Google coming into the same resistance there overnight high. Fill off that imbalance.
Maybe we'll go for the gap fill. Halfway through it right now. If we get some more momentum, we might put it just pop straight to overnight high here. It's honestly an area where I'm probably looking to actually short. Overnight high P-hod area. I think I'm going to be looking to short. Mind you, this bounce does make sense as we are seeing, what's it called? We were sitting at the lower end trend line there. We opened
Yeah.
right there, so
I would like an inside day most likely, but see how this develop. But look like they're trying to go for that gap fill. It's like 65 points higher. So what is that? 935. So oh, it's under overnight high then. Hello, Carlos. I'm selling on Google here on that overnight high tab. Same with Microsoft.
Yeah, tickers are at resistance now. Some resistance, anyways. Maybe we won't fill the whole thing. Fill the hourly imbalance, though. You have another one a little bit overhead, but there should be some resistance here, like this 840, 850 area.
Yeah. Only thing for me, ES should have slightly higher here, right? 5 points more, I think,
Yeah,
at least.
yeah, I think so.
ES is
I expect this
slightly
to
lagging.
continue here. I don't really want to long this, though, to be honest.
Yeah. Good morning, yet to holiday. Your name is the best.
Feel like I got 57 here. What did I say? I said 57 to 55, I think, for longs.
Good morning, Hitch.
Oh, we do have their earnings coming up. February
Mm.
3rd. 7. Honestly, buying at 57 to 55 isn't that big of a difference to me. But I guess percentage-wise, it's kind of a lot. Gonna leave PayPal open. Maybe I could make a starting position here at 57.
ES filled that first imbalance there at 691. Or did it? Oh, very close. See some slight selling pressure there on CVD.
Yeah, some tickers rejected. A little bit.
Yeah, Google. Yeah, Apple 2 overnight low.
Should be able to go higher here, I think. Getting some more buying coming in on Qs. SPY still moving. See, I want us to like pull lower here, but 700 is kind of nice on SPY. I feel like we're gonna get that.
Can you get 700 today? I was not
Oh,
expecting
no,
a new high today.
no,
No, no, no.
700 today, no.
No.
No, definitely not
I
today.
still like the insider today,
But in time,
most likely.
I'd say. In
Yeah,
time, I think
yeah.
we might get 700.
Yeah, I think this wedge gonna play out more then, right? Gonna
Yeah.
see one higher. Looks like they're trying to get to this imbalance fill on the higher time frame. 925 area. Took the high there. The micro scale. Nvidia sold quite a lot there.
We're attempting to
Just
sell
took the
it
high
again
there.
here.
Yeah, so they went down there. That NHOD touch or break above.
Hmm. Could we reject here? That's the real question. I feel like we could also here. Looks a little weak.
Yeah, they're coming some selling pressure on CVD there.
CVD, yeah.
Yeah. Wait, you're also reading CVD?
Yeah, I
Oh,
I took your the education materials and then
oh,
added it, and I think I'm reading it correctly, but
oh.
yeah, if you use the 1 minute to read it on
It depends.
NQ.
I like divergences between on the 5, but on the little bit of bigger times still. But yeah, I'm reading mostly 1. Remember that
Okay.
MNQ and Nasdaq both together is much better to read overall.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Because they give confluences or one is driving.
Got it.
Don't pay too much attention to the pre-market CVD. It could give some slight. I've seen MNQ give some slight, like tail, but it's not. It's not.
Got it. Okay. Thank you.
I would like it to fade a bigger move up on that gap fill and 4-hour fill instead of here, my opinion. But it's gonna short. That upside move was nearly impossible to get into anyway. Still seeing some weakness here on the CVD overall. Not big though, not super big.
Yeah, tickers are kind of out of support here, which is a little kind of throwing me off right now to short.
Yeah.
They still look alright for pulling higher. So I'm wondering if we're gonna flag here. Have this move get bought, flag, and then pull higher, or retest VWAP on Qs.
Yeah.
Pull higher. But yeah, as of right now, I'm not really seeing any correlation.
If we do sell this quite aggressively though, I'm not into liking longs as much. But this could just trace, move up to gap fill also. Or for the time being, it looked like a gap and trap. That means that we open with a quite big gap and they buy it back up
Fill it,
again.
yeah.
Yeah, that's a gap and trap.
Yeah.
See some buying on the CVD here.
So getting bought.
Right.
Looks like it is gonna set up in that flag.
Tesla pushed quite hard there actually. Nice buying there on the view up. Based on the 30, I want to see exhaustion here though, but could also go higher here than see some exhaustion.
Yeah, I think
Or
we
we
should be able
don't.
to pull higher. Tickers still look good.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Spy still looks good as well here.
Yeah.
So I had ideals right. Get ball into 5.
We should just, yeah, maybe we just should have longed it. It
Yeah.
didn't even come back to 825 for me, though. It would be the very high trend long. I think. Will the 4-hour have like 18 points to
Yeah.
the gap fill here?
I think ES wants 7,000 here.
Or I think we're just gonna go. Oh yeah, 7. Yeah, yes. Okay. Not spy. 7,000 would be a lot for spy. See some selling coming here on the CVD on the Nasdaq's contracts on that. Produced a lower high here with this high. See if we curl here.
We didn't fill the gap yet, did we?
We filled the imbalance, yes. The 4 hour. I don't know about the gap though,
The
but
gap is at 9:26,
yeah.
right? 9:30. If I'm looking at this right.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so a little bit higher.
Yeah. Just fill the imbalance on the 4 hour there. Actually setting up for possibly 1 minute lower high on CVD and higher on price, which is still bearish on the very, very small time frame. Would be nice to see the gap fill though.
Yeah, that's kind of what
ES
I'm
is
looking
hold.
for. Looking
Yeah.
for the gap
ES,
fill and then SPY or ES to 7K.
ES is at EB high here though, so this is resistance, slight resistance for me. But yeah. Nvidia seeing buyers as we up here.
Pulling higher, we should get 7K here on ES. There it is.
We have 5 points more for fill on ES. So 707, 606. But this is on. This is some weakness on the Nasdaq CFD here. MNQ also.
Tickers, they kind of look okay. Not super, super great now.
I wonder if we see one push more here to fill that gap or not. Guess it makes sense. Go for that still.
Yeah, I would like to see that.
Yeah, 1 minute flag here. Up.
Pushing off this 1 minute flag here. SPY is still pushing here. I have that trend line coming in here soon. It's actually just below previous high of day.
Yeah, that would be we're 3 points from fill the gap on ES here. Still see some slight weakness on Nasdaq, CVD, but it's not curling down. It just lower than the low from that last high in the 1 minute. Made a new high without showing increase of buying pressure. Yeah, I should go for this gap fill. It's so close now, 2.5. Maybe they don't
Q's
get to
struggling
it.
a little bit here.
Yeah.
Tickers don't look great either.
CVD looks weak. Then I wanted to short that pop, but maybe we don't get the tag. Yeah, CVD is still bad. Thank God they're trying to buy it.
Yeah, trying to, but I don't really see any strength coming from tickers.
Yeah. Same with CVD, I just want it to tap. Feel better about the short. But
Yeah, me too. Me too.
yeah. Mm. Yeah, 900 psych. Right under it. I don't like tickers that much here. As the Microsoft is trying to sell. CVD is going down here. I like this short kinda.
Yeah,
But
take it here.
yeah, I wanted that gap fill, but yeah, doesn't look like.
I'm worried about this entry though. I don't really like this entry.
Yeah, I don't
Not
like this
good.
entry either.
It's not terrible, but it's quite high volatility, so our stop is actually
Yeah,
going to be very tight here.
yeah.
I would like to get a reversal entry, short.
Yeah, I want this to fill the gap first, and then kinda short the possible highs or on the higher end. Was gonna short. There will be like gap fill, Nasdaq, ES to overnight high, kind of something like that. It's one more leg up, right? So the not selling here, which is a good sign if we see this flag actually breaking once time on the upside. But CFD is still down on the Nasdaq ones. We're selling it there. Yeah. First time see real pressure, selling pressure coming in on Nasdaq here. going down. And from 3.2 to 1.3 there.
Still flagging on this 1 minute though. It's only a thing.
Yeah. I think it's gonna break down though, but
Oh, does 5 fill a gap? Oh, it did.
SPY failed. Okay. That makes sense why I see selling pressure on Nasdaq now. On the CVD, not the price. Yeah, I still like this short. Place.
Might wait it. Give it a second. I'll be back though really quick.
Yep. So, did you see that sign of weakness, Adam, on the CVD there, on the NQ?
At what point? Sorry, because I was looking at multiple things. I apologize.
Like 3 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago.
Oh yeah,
It
yeah.
didn't,
So
it didn't produce a lot of downside. It was like 30 points, but you would
yeah,
technically you could scout that for high probability weakness. I mean for us, yeah, 1 hour trade. You could of course hold longer, but yeah.
hmm
We saw
and
that
then
weakness before on CVD than the price, right? And then if you
yeah,
take it right there, you will be at
yeah,
like 902 area.
and then I also do notice that as time elapses, right, the curve may change slightly. So I kind of do notice the slight changes in the curve. While um, during the minute,
Yeah.
the 5 minute.
Yeah. The probability that it go lower here is high. I want it to be in this short, but
Yeah, I shorted at the breakdown of the flag at 86.
okay. Mm. We also wanted that 940 entry, something weird there, but this could still produce one more high, possibly even with CVD like that, but we see.
Yeah, and then just with the volatility, I have a tight stop, so
Yeah. High probability was that 900 short to cover 1 hour, fill off that imbalance below, and you will see if this take a new high or not, or you rotate down, you look for 830 here. instead.
Yeah, my TP is about 47 right now.
I would not have a limit there though. I think this could pull down to 830 area.
Mhm.
Fast if
Got
you
it.
want to do that. That just don't do what I say though.
Just don't do what Philip says.
No, yeah. You get wrecked.
That's inverse Philip. Yeah, I'm still gonna wait on this. I think I want one more leg up, and then be a little bit happier with that. Maybe we'll see. Depends how tickers look here actually as well, but
I'm just gonna show the weakness in CVD on the main chat so you understand what I was looking for. You see the high that was created on the left is slower, but we see a lot more buying pressure there than here. The signal us that we have bearish flow here, weakness overall. But could still pick up, do one more high. CVD is still low, sell, right? It's just like it at 900-ish, short to around 70 though, and then you would possibly have B and cut half on 1 hour though, based on that trend is up, right? What's the fill of that imbalance below?
mm-hmm. Yeah, mainly looking at tickers here still for right now.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I don't think tickers look that bad. I like ES lower here, based on the 30, 6985. Yeah. Lag and go down here. Apple looks kind of strong. It was the weakest ticker, but really found a lot of buy on that overnight low liquidity take in there.
Yeah.
I still like this lower. I like his short he's in, but just that gap fills are magnetic zones, or you're gonna drive to fill those. It's just hard to know when SPY has filled it and not Nasdaq or ES.
Hmm. I don't know here. I see both ideas here, but I think it's a little. It's not really where I want to be looking to short.
No, same. Could this will be the higher low.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe push one more leg, right? That's why I wanted that 900-ish entry. Or 920 would be nice, but CD wise, it still looks good though. Nvidia sees some buying at VWAP here, trying to get over overnight high. Google looks also quite good here on the upside. So. It looks like we're gonna go for a new high here. One more leg. Hmm. Trying to sell it again there on that push. Hmm.
This is super slow.
Yeah.
Quite boring for a Monday.
Makes sense, no data. That's why I wanted to short the highs because of mean reverse and to range, just back to range. But I could be wrong. There could be a gap and trap, and you slowly just go higher and higher. Not like. Maybe that second long was playable, but not the first one, I think. You look at the. It trades slightly too little swing, I think, but I mean, good for people to get into it. 833 to 900. New high and hod push. Ah, quite nice trade.
Yeah, kind of like
Because
going higher here.
I don't see the buying pressure on the CUD. That's the weird thing here. But it's good to know that exhaustion takes time, though. So
Tickers are not really doing much still. Microsoft is flagging though, which is nice. At resistance though. That rejects. AVGO is flagging.
based on the ES here, I like it lower now without 900 sold here, but based on CUD, tickers are more neutral.
Yeah.
But if I stick with my idea from the start, it should have one more leg up, though. Like the 1 minute here, though. Looks kinda.
That's kind of what I'm looking at right now, actually.
Yeah. With the 5 on ES here, going to 6985. Nice supply. It would be VWAP for Nasdaq here. Or 800 psych.
'80's not bad short either. I don't think.
Yeah.
It's not terrible.
Yeah, it's better with this pop upside and sold, I think.
Yeah.
Short. Overall. Those 40 points on Nasdaq is haunting me, Alex. You see the pop.
Me too. Me too.
Would love this short setup overall if we went there. But just like it a lot less. Didn't see that. So buy it back up again. Do they actually go in
The
slightly
trend
up?
line right now.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I drew out.
Yeah, I see that. Not. I can look at yours also, but yeah. He is still struggling here, just forming. Could say a flag though. Oh. Let's go. Push one more high. Go to 940. Wonder what's holding this up on the selling pressure on Nasdaq.
I think if we lose that 1 minute structure, I'll take a short. Maybe. Don't know.
I want a high short then to have place with a gap fill. So, me.
Yeah, I'd really like overnight high here, but
Mm.
if we need to play a breakout, we will.
It looks good for one more high, I think though. Google bought nice there. I mean, Q going up here, but no, Nasdaq is going slightly down, so they're diverging here. Retail trying to push this up.
Sold pretty quickly there.
Yeah. CBD is selling on Nasdaq here. I don't dislike this short, Alex. It's just that. Yeah.
Oh, I know you don't dislike it.
Yeah. Because I also want that higher target coming in.
Google is moving here.
Yeah. Coming up to a pretty weak high on 330. Yeah, right there.
Yeah. Is it all-time high? New all-time high? It is.
Yep. Yeah, it's new all-time high. The short is so much easier if you just get right up there, like high expansion, and you get short and you get a backtest short for like 50-60 points, which will happen quite fast. It's a lot more ugly when it's slow. Just think about the slow trending days then. We held that trend line, pushed for new NHOD here. Did you find any way to long this overall, Alex? Do you have any?
Yeah, I think the break right here, right when I was saying on the 5-minute flag, I was like, oh, we'll probably see some buying at 840 flag and then probably break highs based on the way tickers were looking at the moment. That was my
Yeah.
only long spot there.
Yeah. I want it slightly lower there though, like 15, 10, 15 points.
I didn't
I
mind
had
that
a
spot.
line, but
I like that spot
no.
there.
I think my trend line is my line is slightly off actually.
Cause yeah, both Q's and SPY we held the close there right at it.
Yeah.
So I think that was fine.
Yeah.
Alright, here's our push.
Did you feel it there?
I have no clue. Did we?
Yeah, we did. 35.
Yeah, we did on Q's as well.
Oh wow, I was way too slow. Should have calculated that.
So close to overnight high though. I kind of want that. But
Yeah, but look at the video here, right?
yeah.
Not sure about the other tickers though. Yeah, Tesla go for overnight high here. Apple looks quite strong though. The video.
Yeah, Apple is moving here. Look at that.
Yeah.
This is so boring. But we do have a rising wedge.
Yeah. The moves on the 1 minute is not that bad. Apple sold under overnight high and p-hod there. I still like this short, to be honest. Am I biased here? I don't know. No, I not pulled the trigger because I wanted. We have a 1 minute wedge. Mini reversion day. Not looking for super much on the downside. Makes sense. Makes sense to rotate. View up. A little bit higher than. Something like that.
You should just take it here.
Yeah. No selling pressure coming in there.
1 minute break here.
Yeah.
900. It's not bad.
Yeah. I like it based on tickers, I think.
Alright, I'm short. 904.
So your stop is 34.
34. Yeah. Yeah, 34. That's basically a new high. I guess that's okay, yeah. It's alright, I guess. Look for view up probably here on QQQ, right? QQQ and then maybe even NASDAQ as well.
Not sure I love our entry here. Based on. It makes sense on the one,
Breakout
but.
entry, yeah, makes sense on a 1 minute.
I wanted the high, Alex, right to the tick. Sell divergent on the small time frame on the ES here.
Come on. Come on. Come on. 20 points almost. Why just breaking out?
Room on tickers here, I'm not sure though.
Yeah,
It's only.
I'd agree with that as well. Not really
Well,
sure tickers, but
based on Nasdaq, it has some room with EOS here, but yeah, EOS at the new is at the low here. Still want it down to 8985, but
it's more like 850, Samir. Around 850 or so. 850 is what we're looking for here. Right at VWAP on QQQ and that level that we were previously held from this morning. Should be able to go here, I think. This looks good. Nice breakdown there. You don't want to see this get bought up. Want to
yeah.
see this flush here. Over 20 points now, which is nice.
Mm. Not a fan of this buyback here on the enlarged on EOS here. It's
Yeah, SPY is still holding. SPY is still yet to break, but I think this is okay. This looks good still. We did lose structure on the 5 there, which is probably the best thing.
I don't like that buyback on EOS still. The tickers here. Want to see it go there to lower there to 835. I think for me. Let's see if it sells here though.
Try to retest here.
Yeah.
Setup will be invalid if we get above 25, which would technically ultimately stop us out. So I feel like we could run a 25 point
Yeah,
stop if we really wanted to, right?
yeah, yeah, I think so too. Just with this sell here. Don't want to see it buyback. We're gonna do it or not? That's the question here.
Should we? 29? Yeah. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. I'm gonna move it to 25 point stop, which is at 29. Did get sell down a little bit, which is nice.
Yeah. Nvidia has slight more room here to previous week. Though not a lot though. It's not a lot. Mm. Yeah, still trying to hold there. Mhm. Seeing some buying pressure here. The CFD here on the two lows there on the 1 minute. Come on, come on, just do it. I don't like that Nvidia is going down, but not price here. Tesla also should go down. Back to sweep up overnight high, but Apple looking strong. Google looking strong.
Alright, I'm back.
Nvidia is bought up again. Nvidia sold to that. To holding.
Yeah.
I don't like. Google still looks kind of good here. Tesla looks good, but I didn't want that to buy back like that. I wanted it to go there. Lose that structure on the 5. Setting up for move higher. We saw some CVD buying there also. On the lows. Just slight though. Just slight. If tickers go here, Nvidia kinda sold to where I wanted though. That's the problem here. But if the other tickers follow through, maybe we see a leg down, but
Just let it play out, let it play out.
yeah. Can you guys hear me clearly now?
I can hear you fine.
Oh, nice, nice. I'm a bit away from the computer, that's why. Asking about the headset capabilities, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Do you guys know shuffleboard?
Shuffleboard?
Yeah?
Like this. Is that a sport?
Oh, it's like, I don't know how to say it if you don't know what it is.
That's the thing where like you slide the little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bought one for my kid when he for his age. It has shuffleboard and curling, like on the opposite end. Really big though.
Is that the same thing like on ice or no?
No, yeah, curling is on ice. Curling is on ice.
That's what I think of when you say that. Oh, here we
Yeah,
go.
yeah,
New
that's
load
nice.
there.
Yeah, Tesla pushing the Microsoft. What I want to see. Doesn't make sense to scale out half here.
No,
It's
I'm
just
probably just gonna hold
10
this full
points.
all the way through.
Uh, Thank you for helping me with my paper trading, Alex, by the way.
Yeah, just a full exit of view up makes sense to me. Maybe you could hold a runner past that if we actually do decide to fully sell, but I think
Where's the
it's
VWAP
okay.
for you on? Is it 5850 or?
Yeah, 850
Uh,
should be.
so not 812 Nasdaq.
Eh,
Yes, for me, ES is holding up so well. I don't like that.
yeah.
It's flagging. Because Nvidia went to my target there. Oh no. It's so good. I just took the low buying. Buying on CVD again. Slow.
Still looks good. I like this.
Yeah, Google looks good here. Apple looks good. Mostly tickers except Nvidia for me, but yeah. I like the structure. I mean, I want to short that area this whole day, and I cannot say I don't like it, right?
Yeah. I think you would
Yeah.
have gotten stopped though if you took it beforehand earlier. So we pulled up
Yeah.
to 9:30.
Yeah. Yeah.
Almost there, guys. Super close. That's not bad there. That's 40 points.
Yeah. Should have taken two off there, I think. But because you are in an uptrend, right? This is just a reverse trade. Backtest. Yes, it's still just in a flag. Mm.
Super close to view up there. I thought we would get it.
Yeah. Took the low on the left there on the 1 minute.
Yes. Yeah. Let me.
Some tickers trying to stabilize here. Tesla. Yeah.
I don't like how that got bought there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was some good points. Maybe should have trimmed.
Yeah.
Oh, that was too quick anyways. I don't think there's
No.
not a trim off anyways, so.
I think we would have slight. I don't like this at all with how he is setting up. Tickers went to the supply area there. Me, Google, Tesla, on the higher end though. I so wanna have B stops here, because this is right where we need to sell again. I don't want to see this get bought up. Yeah.
Okay. Just let me know when you sent that password. For it.
Doesn't look that good anymore.
Nope.
Tesla.
Agree with that.
Yeah. He has found buyers at the low area 6995. Didn't go to that 985 area. Super slow. Still fail though. Still fail. Maybe they could go for a new previous week low again here. Tesla could sell P-load again.
Sell it. Sell it.
Come on, I'm set up this under 1 minute here. Or I don't know what it should be, but where's long stop out? Possibly here. Yes, it's going higher. Still see weakness on Nasdaq contract. Just ES. That's yeah. That was the backtest, I guess. Right.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
Some buying here. Come out to a 1 minute imbalance.
Failed breakdown then, maybe.
Yeah, ES is printing higher.
Hmm.
It's good for 940 now, I think, here. Mm. Yeah, so bias there, Carlos. I really thought it was gonna go there and get us our target, Alex.
Yeah.
Mm.
Me as well. Me as well.
So close.
Yeah, we're only like a couple cents away from view up there. Let's see. Yeah, 10 cents away from view up on Q's there.
Mhm. Really don't like it anymore, though. To be honest,
Yeah, me too.
to kind of grind higher.
The best trader alive.
Hello, Rich.
Hold on. Wait, is my mic on? It is.
Yeah.
My headphones aren't connected. I gotta do my intro. Hold on. The best trader alive is here.
Legend.
Are you guys? You guys still didn't take a trade yet?
We're in shorts
Yeah,
right
we
now.
were.
We're in
Yeah,
shorts right now.
but we were in a nice profit, and then it bounced right before where we wanted to take our. Yeah.
I just wanted to show my face. That was all. I don't have an account to trade. I'm gonna get an account in like an hour and a half,
That's nice.
and then I am going to. I just got back from an interview, or not an interview, like a first day, but I won't be going back.
It's still sold here.
Yeah.
That's
Good. Yes, it would be much more nice if it just sold that to our target the first time, right?
yeah.
All right, everybody, I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go get my account, and then I'll be back tomorrow. Just wanted to pop in and show my face as well.
Nice. Nice.
All right,
Thank
see you
you.
guys.
Maybe we'll get stopped here actually.
Still looks like it's running higher here. Because looks kind of good now. We got pulled back with supply buying, right?
Yeah.
Not perfect, but looks like a slow drive up for NHOD. Still had the divergence with the Nasdaq selling pressure on the CVD or curling, but
What a long day for a Monday.
yeah, yeah.
Well, I just won at chess though.
Oh,
Just won a game.
wanna play against me?
Yeah. Playing on mobile right now.
Because I don't think I will do another trade here.
No, definitely not. This will be the only one I would take for today.
Yeah. Good patience on that, but really thought it would deliver a little bit more there. But now we're kind of in stock. It could still work, but it's just way less likely.
See what I did there? Oh. Missed that one. Alright, yeah, it looks like we might actually get this pop up here. Might get tagged out.
Hmm. That one being up quite nice. Like that. Sad.
Hey, you said what?
Yeah, it's sad when we get bought up, when we bought up like that, right?
Yeah,
Sad that we get a full loser like that.
unfortunate. But it is what it is. Don't like this. What are you doing here? Hit stop at 29. Yeah, stop at 29.
I think we get pushed out here. Don't see. Don't see it working for us here. If we're not taking a Hail Mary. That looks really good for a move higher here. Hmm.
Yeah, it should tag me out here.
Got tagged in on CVD. I'm tagged.
Yep, you too.
That sucked.
Well, times 11:10. Yeah, definitely will not be taking another one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so bad.
Yeah, the trade was valid. It just, yeah. Guess we should have taken some off. Counter trend. It's hard because, yeah.
Maybe I will look for. Maybe we could still possibly take one later. I want to stay here. We wait till for that overnight high. Maybe we could make another. We're only down 25 on the day, so it's not like it's a lot of points, but. Yeah, we should gravitate towards overnight high here, I think. Unless it runs our stop and then comes back. Take out the highs to overnight
Yeah.
high and then flip again. It's possible, but tickers don't look really weak right now. Maybe we just wait. Yeah,
Oh
maybe we
no.
just wait till tomorrow.
Well, that I didn't calculate correctly. Oops.
Yeah, maybe we'll just come back tomorrow then, I guess. It's a quite slow price action here. So.
Mm. Oh my god. What did I do, Alex?
I don't know. What did you do?
No, this is so bad for me.
You're okay, don't worry.
I'm gonna lose some position now. It was not a bad counter trend trade. I really liked it. It's just that I think we were too greedy about the profits there. I think it was
Maybe a little bit.
nice and or just my paper handling saying because I really want to take that. I didn't. I really hate when the does that to my brain though. To be honest. Me paper trading, trying to hold longer, and then it doesn't work.
Yeah, I mean, we were only a couple of cents. I think it was valid for us to literally just wait there and just take it at that VWAP level and at 840. Doesn't really make sense for me to take that profit early.
Yeah. Yeah, I understand that also. Mm.
This is quite a good game, though. It kind of came back.
No.
It came back.
It's that because I was focusing on
Right.
other things,
Right.
on trading. Yeah.